Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of the Summer is Mine ab program. This is Couch Potato Get Fit. We're going to go ahead and get started with some standing toe touches for 30 seconds. Let's go. Keep those abs tight. Alternate hand to toe. You want to keep great posture. You don't want to hunch over. Just drive those legs up, keep them straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's get into some mountain climbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Now we're gonna go into plank jacks. Just go ahead and get in the plank position. 30 seconds. Keep that core tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go into a quick 10-second break, and then we're gonna jump right back into it. Hands over your head, in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Heart rate should be jumping up a little bit, but we're in good shape. All right, now we're gonna go into planking leg lifts for 30 seconds. Just gonna alternate back and forth, keeping that core tight. This is gonna be a planking day. Now go at your own pace. This is really gonna stabilize the core muscles. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, we're gonna go into Spider-Man planks for 30 seconds. Now these are gonna get your oblique muscles. We wanna be under control, like we're wall crawling. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Now we're gonna go into plank hip drops. So we're gonna go on our elbows. Perfect. Planking position. We're gonna dip down. Be in control. 30 seconds. Let's go. Be in control. Stay in control. Go at your own pace. Keep that core tight. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. We're gonna break for 10 seconds. We're gonna jump right back into it. Hands over your head, in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Remember that breathing technique, guys. So we're actually gonna jump into plank jacks with knee tucks for 30 seconds. All right, guys, ready? Knee tuck, knee tuck. Go at your own pace, guys. It's not a race. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Now we're gonna go into side planks. For 30 seconds, we're gonna hold that position. 30 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's switch sides. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, great work, great work. Let's keep it going. Let's break for 10 seconds. Hands over your head, in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. All right, guys, now we're gonna do side plank dips for 30 seconds. Get back into that side plank position. Up, down, up, down. We want to keep that control. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides, guys. Great work, great work. Let's keep it going. 30 seconds. Keep that core tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work, guys. Great work. Now, guys, we're gonna go side plank, knee to elbow for 30 seconds. We're just gonna switch back to the other side, okay? Elbow to knee, 30 seconds. Be under control. Go at your own pace. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's switch sides. You guys are going great. You're doing great. Elbow to knee. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's finish it out. Plank jack with knee tucks for 30 seconds. Last drill of the day. You're home free. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys. Last but not least, we're gonna end off with an abdominal stretch. Just get those abs loosened back up. In through your nose, out through your mouth, guys. Now, this workout was to help stabilize your core muscles. There are a lot of different variations of planks. You guys, great work today. This is day 4 of the Summer is Mine ab program. This is Couch Potato Get Fit. You're now tuned in with the best. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe, download. Let's go ahead and get Couch Potato Get Fit.